As you all know, almost everyone right now, at least I assume that all of us right now is staying at home, working at home. We do almost everything at home thanks to pandemic. And because of this, a lot of people started trying out selling products online using Shopify, WooCommerce, or other e-commerce platform that you can use for selling products online. Now, I'm not really a professional when it comes to dropshipping, but I have worked with a lot of people who owns a Shopify store, and working with them, I have learned one secret that might interest you. So keep watching until the end. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to find out if dropshipping still works in 2021, especially for beginners like us. For this video, I will challenge myself to create or to run a Shopify store and see if we make sales or not. But before we begin setting up our online store, we have to look for a product to sell because you can't really make a profit without searching for a product. So we're going to do a product research, and plus, once you have a product, you can easily name your store, you can easily pick a design for your store, and so on. So let's go to Aliexpress and start looking for a product. So I found this product that I'm about to use on my store, and that is the personalized necklace that almost everyone can have. So why did I pick this product? Well, first of all, it is very, very cheap. And second, I have an idea how I'm going to promote it. So let's not waste more time. Let's open Shopify and start setting up our Shopify store. Alright, so I'm done designing my Shopify store, and as you can see right here, I gave my Shopify store a feminine style. So it's pink, and I have this image. I have customized this, or I have photoshopped this. And next is I have this image that I downloaded online. Now, speaking of downloading photos online, I do not recommend you to download images online, especially stealing someone else's photos. I recommend you create your own photos. I recommend you purchase the product and then take photos of it and then use it on your online store. All right, next I have in here my product. So I called it Lena Personalized Necklace because my website is called Lena Jewelry. And I think I've already purchased a domain, but we're going to look at that later on. So I have set up the payment gateway. I customized the description. I'm displaying the product details, high quality, and so on. I have added a custom image, and I've also listed the font style that they can use for the personalized necklace. So I have used Photoshop to create this, and yeah, that's all. I have also created quick links, terms and condition, privacy policy, and so on. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is to create the ad. So we're going to open Photoshop, and let's design our photo. All right, so I'm done designing my Instagram ad, and I'm going to use this later on and send this to Instagram pages that we're going to look for later on. And in here, I have the, oh my God, my girlfriend loved this, and heart emoji. And again, I have this image that I downloaded on Aliexpress. Again, I do not recommend downloading images online. Take your own photos. Very, very simple ad we're going to use online. I'm not sure if this is going to work because this is my first time creating a Shopify store, but let's see. All right, so I'm going to look for Instagram pages. So let's open, of course, Instagram. So I have the first Instagram page, and by the way, I'm going to blur the username of this page so you can't access it or you can't visit this from me. So I'm sorry, I'm going to blur this. And it cost me $12 for one day because I'm only gonna need them to post the image. I'm not going to use a story. And then the second page is going to cost me around $17. So I'll start sending them my image, and hopefully they can publish it right now as soon as possible so we can, we're running out of time. It's already afternoon. So yeah. Just an update, it's already 6 in the afternoon and we still have 6 hours left. We're done setting up our store, we have a product to sell, we have contacted Instagram pages to promote our product. And speaking of Instagram, they are not responding to my messages yet. So that's a problem. So while we're waiting for their messages, I'm going to set up my Facebook ad or Facebook account so we can advertise our product. So hopefully in 6 hours, we'll make a profit. So I'll see you later. All right, so just a quick update. Time check, it's already 2 in the morning. Unfortunately, we're not able to get the Facebook ad. As you can see in here, it's still in review. So I'm not really sure if we're gonna be able to get this tomorrow morning or maybe tomorrow, the next day of tomorrow. I'm not really sure. But if that's the case, then I'll probably just gonna cancel this. However, we're lucky we're able to contact. I mean, the Instagram pages contacted me, so we're able to get 2 Instagram pages, and they posted my image. So that's good. And guess what? I actually got one sale. So if you take a look at our dashboard, you can see in here I have $16.91, just a one sale. And if we take a look, if we refresh this is real, this is not edited, this is not in spec element or whatever. And there you go. As you can see, it's 16.91. So we got one sale, which is not really that bad. It's just Instagram, the Instagram page that I took got around 60K likes or followers and 80,000 followers. That's the first one. The second one got 69,000 followers, which is not bad. I got sale and that's pretty good. I mean, they just started, so I guess, yeah, they started 2 hours ago. So I still have a few hours left, maybe 22 hours. So I don't know, maybe after that we'll get more sales. So we'll find out the next day. So that's it for now. I will update you the next day. Good morning, or should I say good afternoon? Because time check, it's already 4:50 in the afternoon. It's almost 5. We are done with our 24-hour dropshipping challenge, and it's time to see the result. All right, so here I am in Shopify. I will be using my phone instead of my computer, so you know that it's real. All right, so in 24 hours, we've received a whopping 347 sessions, which is not that bad. And if you look closely, we have 3 unfulfilled orders. That means we're going to work on that after this video. And that means we have received a whopping $50.73. Which is, again, not that bad considering that the theme page that we took had really low followers. So that's expected. So that's it, guys. We have made $51 in 24 hours. Now, if we deduct the expenses, we have 3 orders. So that means it's $12 because for each necklace, I think it's around $4. So 4 times 3, it's 12. So that's minus 12. And for the Instagram promotion, I think the theme pages, in total, it's $29 because the first is $12, the second is $17. So 12 plus 17 is 29. So minus 29. So I think we still have $10. And if we also deduct the domain, I think I get the domain around $7. So 10 minus 7, we still have $3. Wow, that is sad. But like I said, it's not that bad. We only worked on it for 24 hours. If we spend more time, we'll probably get more than this. So I mentioned earlier in this video that I have one secret that I learned from my clients, and I'm going to share it with you. And this is it. You probably know this already, actually. I don't know, but this is one thing that I learned from my clients, and that is they always follow, or they went to Instagram and then they follow as much people as possible. And then when they receive a follow back, they're going to message them something like, "Hi," and then you mention their name. "We've taken a look at your profile and we liked it so much. If you're interested, we have an ambassador program. If you join, you will get all of our products for free. If you're interested, please let us know." Something like that, but it's not the full text. It's a long text that they can read. And then once they respond, you will hit them with a sign-up form for the ambassador program. And then once they registered, they will be redirected to your shop or to your store. And then they can get all of your products for free. But here's the twist, they still have to pay for the shipping fee. Now, it's kind of like what I did in this video. I offered them free necklace and then they have to pay for the shipping fee. And I still made a profit out of it. Now, you might think that this is a lot of work. You have to follow them, you have to message them, you have to respond, and you have to check on them if they sign up or not. Yes, I agree, it's a lot of work, and that's why e-commerce or selling products takes a lot of work before you can make a lot of profit. Now, I must say that this strategy that I share with you is only for those people who doesn't have a budget for Instagram promotions or advertising. Now, that being said, dropshipping or selling products online takes a lot of work. You might see on someone else's video that they're receiving or they're making a lot of profit, they're making thousands of dollars in just one day, but it's not like that all the time. Sometimes you'll get profit, sometimes it's going to work, sometimes you'll not get a profit, sometimes it's not going to work. The only thing that you can do is to keep on grinding until you make everything work. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify related videos or dropshipping related videos. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in the next video. I'm sorry, I'm really tired.